Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with the beautifully restored 1987 Blue Bird Wanderlodge. This was kind of a Mac Daddy RV back in the day. It's got period correct carpet, really nice restored upholstery down to the stitching on the vinyl. They upgraded to some flat screen TVs, Polk audio sound system, new shades and blinds. It's got new flex steel leather seats, very comfortable. The instruments have been restored. The oil pressure gauge, battery, air pressure, showing 2,977 miles and 218 hours on the generator. It's got a leveling system that's restored and works. Also, you can see the dash, the stitching on the dash. It's all quality. It's got the original steering wheel with the Ross cam and lever steering system. Real nice engine cover. Everything's just really finished out. It was professionally done. We got a lot of receipts for the work that was done on this, not including the paint. The total was about $150,000. They did braided stainless steel lines on a lot of the heater lines. You can see the stitching around this control panel. It's first class all the way. Probably in many respects better than when it was new because of the more modern materials. The wood has the glossy finish like you see in a British luxury car. This little corner couch was restored very nice. There's a little extra place to sit right here. This seat rotates around for traveling, and then you can spin it around to kind of sit in the lounge area. Really nice carpet. It's kind of weaved, kind of a stitch. Really nice. Beautiful countertop here. Again, that high polished wood grain. And inside here, there's a drawer with the quick close or the soft close. And then this is basically a bar where you can put your drink. You got a place to put your wine glasses and your drinks, and it slides out. Also lights up when you open it. Pretty cool. Really nice bathroom, stainless steel sink, nice shower, kind of an on-off shower head. It's all mirrored. Nice wood floors. You can see even the backs of the dinette seat is really nicely finished wood, real nice fabrics. And again, that really beautiful finished out wood. Got an armrest here. Nice blinds that open and close really easy. It's got a vintage set of thermometer. It's a rain gauge. It says stormy right now. Hydro is at 59%. It's got some LED lights that light the floorway. It's got a Chateau by Magic Chef cooktop. It's a 4-burner gas. And then it has the overhead oven and broiler. Kind of a cool setup. And sometimes people say they don't make them like they used to. Upgraded, beautiful stainless steel sink. Nice granite countertops, and when you shine the light right, it's hard to see in this video, there's little blue accents that shine. Maybe you can see a couple of them, but it sparkles. It's got a Dometic freezer refrigerator. This is the Blue Bird Wanderlodge control panel for the water level, the holding tanks, the water pump, generator, start and stop. It's got dual roof airs. The one on the rear is original and it works very good. The one up on the front has been replaced and it's a more modern version. Nice big closet with a mirror. That's your fuse panel. Little overhead bin and a place to hang your clothes. In the back you got more Polk audio speakers. Nice overhead bins that light up when you open them. Kind of like on an airplane. Pretty cool stuff. There's lots of room. You can see it's real deep. And the bedroom is what I call the Lucille and Ricky dual beds, dual twins. The carpet is like the carpet in the front. It's a very high quality weaved carpet. Comfortable mattresses. Nice lighting, reading lights. Got a flat screen TV here in the back. It's just a cool vintage Blue Bird Wanderlodge with the Cat V8 diesel engine. We're selling this on Bring a Trailer, the auction site. We also will have copies of the receipts to go with it to show you everything that's been done. And it's going to get some new tires put on it here probably in the next week. If you want to come up to Harbor Springs, Michigan, you could fly up here and drive it home, or you could hire a driver to deliver it. Those blinds are nice. There's no stains. They're perfect. The white leather, it's parchment, looks perfect. And I wanted to show you how good they did this carpet. It's got stitching that goes around the base like you would do in a high-end car. But it's all done by a very reputable company. And it's really a beautiful, classic Blue Bird Wanderlodge. One more view back here. Back in the day, my boss was a Cadillac dealer. His name was David Moritz, and he had a Blue Bird. And when we had a really good month, he sent his driver and drove the sales guys down to the horse races in Louisiana. We really had a good time, and it was just so fun. Everyone riding in the Blue Bird. Well, thanks for looking. Thanks for your time. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails. Hope to see you in our showroom soon. Good luck with your bids on this beautiful, really stunning classic Wanderlodge. And I'll show you my favorite thing. The folks that own it really take care of their stuff.